Welcome back to day 10 of the 30 days of Clawhammer Banjo. Today we'll be learning a new chord shape, D7. I know it can be confusing to not understand why chords have certain names and why numbers sometimes get involved, but again, focus for now on the playing. At the end of the series, I'll share some resources for music theory specifically for banjo players. To play D7, place your index finger on the first fret of the second string. Then place your middle finger on the second fret of the third string. Try playing D7 with the bum ditty starting on the fourth string. You'll know pretty quickly whether or not you're doing this one correctly because you'll either hear each string clearly or you'll be inadvertently muting one or more strings with your fretting hand. Remember when fretting a note to try to use just the tip of the finger and avoid laying your fingers flat against the strings. You can try to push up a little bit with your hand to slightly change the angle of your fingers as well. Once the D7 chord shape becomes comfortable, you can try transitioning between the three chords you now know. Then try alternating between C and D7. Try alternating between G and C and G and D. You could try this progression. Our next lesson will start on a new song using all of these chord shapes, so take the time to get comfortable with them before moving on. Today's featured banjo player is Brad Kolodner. Brad is a fantastic banjo player and a mainstay of the Baltimore old-time scene. You can hear him in a great duo with his father Ken Kolodner, or in a duo with the fiddle player George Jackson, or with his band Charm City Junction, but I also suggest you check out his record Old Growth, which is an album of solo gourd banjo recordings. I'll leave some links in the description where you can hear more of Brad's great music. Anyway, that's all for now. See you next time.